Okay, students, in the previous class, a student have asked when I was discussing the multiplexer problem that what happens when you consider D? The problem we have done already are being uploaded uh, that we have considered A. So what happens when you are considering D? So let's discuss the problem. So before that, we are supposed to draw the truth table. So let's draw that. So it will be a 16 because it's 4-bit. So okay, so let's have this thing. So your numbers are A, B, C, and D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then double zero, double one, double zero, double one, double zero, double one, double zero, double one. So this is the shortest form of writing without making errors. We will be drawing this. So this is being given 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 1. To make the pairs of 2, 2, this will be very helpful in solving this. Now have a look at this, what you are going to do. So when, look at this, when D is changing from 0 to 1, output is changing from 0 to 0. So what does it signifies? It signifies that your output is not changing. So it will be written as 0. Now here D is changing from 0 to 1, your output is changing from 1 to 0. So that means it is D bar. 0 is changing from 1, 0 to 1, D is changing from 0 to 1, your output is changing from 1 to 0. So D bar 0 to 1, output is 1 to 1, so it will be 1. 0, 1, and your output is changing from 0 to 1, this will be D. 0, 1, 1, 1, your output is D. 0, 1, 1 to 0, D bar, and 0, 1, 0 to 1. So it will be giving you D. So in this way, you will list all of them. Sorry, this is not D. This is 1. This is 1. So this becomes 0, D bar, 1, D, 1, D bar, and D. So now the values are being provided to you and they are corresponding to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So now you have to draw the multiplexer like this, and you will provide 8 inputs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and this is your output. Then this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now corresponding to, you will note down which are 0. So 0 is only 0. So this will be grounded. D bar is 1, 2, and 6 are D bar. So 1, 2, and 6 will be provided D bar, and 3, 5 are provided 1. 3 and 5 will be provided 1, and 7, 4 will be provided D. So this is how you are going to make or realize multiplexer using particular thing, or in other words we can say we will realize a particular Boolean expression using multiplexer. So now we will be using ABC for selection lines and we are providing the D. In the other case, we are providing VCD to this. So this is how the first thing is draw the truth table, then select the line D column, look for variation in output by changing in this, list down all the things and just put these values in this numbers and your system will be realized using multiplexer. So this is how you can implement it otherwise. In the previous video, we have discussed it that we will be implementing by taking A as a variable and we are using BCD. In this case, we are taking ABCD and we are considering D as input. So that's all as far as this implementation is being concerned. I hope you understand it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me about this.